elements: second tube, shown in pink, Y piece, and second controlling hand, B. After the balloon inflation system is modified as shown, can you see that we have built a very simple but fully functioning model of an IPPV ventilator system? Balloon inflation. If hand A opens the blue tube and hand B closes the pink tube simultaneously, the tube pressure becomes higher than the balloon pressure. The pressure gradient then pushes the gas into the balloon and it inflates. Balloon deflation. If hand A closes the blue tube and hand B opens the pink tube simultaneously, the tube pressure becomes lower than the balloon pressure due to the elastic recoil force of the balloon wall. The pressure gradient then pushes gas out of the balloon and it deflates. With the two hands, the balloon inflation and deflation process may be fairly well controlled with respect to timing, magnitude, and speed. In a real ventilator system, hand A is replaced with an inspiratory valve, and hand B with an expiratory valve. On this slide, the circuit pressure is equivalent to airway opening pressure, or PAO, and the balloon pressure to alveolar pressure, or PALV. Balloon inflation. When the inspiratory valve opens and the expiratory valve closes, the